Kids, stories, and more is here, so let's all gather near. Art and cooking, movement too, reading, science, all for you. Jump and shout and cheer, hooray! Kids, stories, and more is here today.
Hello. Hi, it's Dee Nice. Welcome to a cooking lesson. And guess what? Today is a national holiday.
No.
If you want to, yes. This is the way we found out. If you Google national holidays and you find out every day has a national something.
Oh, it totally does.
Yeah.
There's a
National
day for everything.
Hot Dog Day, National Peanut Butter Day, National Crying Day. But there's no crying today because today's national holiday is Chocolate Chip Day.
Ooh, I'm down with that. Chocolate is my middle name, according to my mom.
So we are here to celebrate, and we are going to make a chocolate chip big. We might as well go big cooking.
Ooh.
Here's all the ingredients, and Mimi, I think I'll read the ingredients to you.
All right, let's
we
check
already
them off.
have them measured out so that we don't waste too much time because we're so eager to eat this. Yes. And I'll call them and tell you how this recipe goes. When I read the recipe book, it says, turn the oven on to 375.
That I can do.
Check. Make sure that the oven rack is on the upper middle position.
Okay.
Good. Spray in your spring pan the vegetable oil.
Okay.
That's so it doesn't stick to the bottom.
Do that over the sink.
Okay. In a medium-sized bowl, we're going to whisk 3 ingredients.
In a medium-sized bowl.
Yes.
Okay, what are we whisking?
First,
Got my whisk.
flour.
Flour. How much flour?
All measured out. The flour is a cup.
A cup. Got it. Okay.
Baking soda.
All
All
right.
measured up is a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda.
All right. Let's see how I'm going to get this out. Let's see. I'm going to have to do this over here.
No, that's a good idea, over the sink. So we just get the right amount in our medium-sized bowl.
Yes, because I just overflowed, so it's a good thing I did it over the sink. Okay.
And the third ingredients would be the salt. And we need only a 1/4 cup of the salt.
Well, actually, we didn't have unsalted butter, so we're just going to use
good idea.
the butter with salt, and we won't use extra salt. We don't want it to be too salty.
Yeah, it was supposed to be a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We don't need it. Okay. Now mix.
Okay.
Whisk it up real well. Yeah. And we move on to bowl number 2, the larger one.
Okay. Got it.
In the large bowl, Mimi.
All right, I got a large one right here.
Whisk the melted butter in the large bowl.
Okay, so put the butter in the large bowl.
Brown sugar. Now that butter is exactly 8 tablespoons.
Want to get all the goodness out.
The brown sugar.
Okay, brown sugar. How much of this?
It's a 1/2 cup.
1/2 cup, got it. Now what?
And then the sugar.
Ooh.
And the sugar is 1/4 cup.
Okay.
1/4 cup. Not too much.
Now, am I whisking this or stirring it?
And you are whisking this also.
Oh, okay. Let me put this here. All right.
It says stir that well.
You can see this.
Yep, it says stir, stir, stir. Combine it well. Because after you have combined those ingredients, we're going to add the 1 egg and vanilla.
Okay. I'll put my 1 egg in.
Organic egg. Ooh, very healthy. And the vanilla, 1 teaspoon. You're moving very fast.
Hey,
I feel like you've done this, and I feel like you've been here before. Okay. Whisk until smooth.
Okay.
break up that egg. Now it's turning like a, I don't know if you could see that, a caramel color. Okay, it's smooth. Okay.
Now you're going to take the flour mix, which is in the medium bowl, and put it into the large bowl.
Okay, all at once?
All at once.
Okay. I gotta go slow because otherwise the powder will just everywhere.
And you've got the butter.
It's already in there.
In there. Mix it up real well. Stir it real well.
This is going to be the hard part.
Yes. It says no dry flour visible.
That's going to be the hard part.
So
we need to build up our muscles.
Oh, it even says about a minute.
I had to put my hair up. I'm like sweating. Plus, I don't want hair in the bowl. So.
It's hard work. And by the way, we both did wash our hands before we touched any of the ingredients. Nothing better than a little cookie dough.
I can't get it out, so without like splattering it everywhere.
That's fine.
Hey, I don't want to waste any of this cookie.
Get that
this
rubber
is all
spatula.
Mine. Oh, my Lanta.
And stir.
I'm just going to use the silver spoon here. Because that's what I have. Okay.
Mimi, when you're all done, you're going to add the best ingredients of them all. What do you think that is?
Food coloring.
Yeah.
Brussels sprouts.
Try again.
Carrots.
I would say something a little bit sweeter. Da, 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 da. And that is a half a cup.
Chocolate
Maybe
chips.
a little more. Half a cup of the chocolate chips.
I am so looking forward to this. This is one of my favorite cooking activities.
Scrape that dough.
And now, is the only thing left to put it in the pan?
Yes, that's right. May I do that for you?
Oh, it's already sprayed, remember?
Oh, you did spray it already. Good girl. You are on top of
things. If you want to put it in, though, you're more than welcome.
No, you go right ahead. This is your masterpiece.
All right.
Julia Childs here. Dude, yes. Pour it in.
Okay, let's see if I can get all this in without making too big of a mess. Now, this is a 9-by-9, a 9-inch round pan. It calls for a springform pan, but I don't have one of those. So it said you can use a 9-inch pan. And that's what this is. Here. Okay, now I got to spread this out over the pan.
Yep, spread it out evenly. Then you place the pan in the where? Where does it get cooked?
In the oven, but for how long?
And it stays in there for 18 to 22 minutes. It says when you see the golden brown edges.
So we'll put the timer on for 18, check it then, and if they're not brown enough,
great.
We'll put it in longer.
Okay.
I get this.
All right, in we go.
Have an adult help you with the oven.
Of course. The oven's very hot. And we'll see you in 22 minutes.
So it looks like our cookies are done. Or our cookie, not even cookies.
Oh, look at that big cookie cake. Chocolate chip day. Woohoo!
Now it just needs to cool for 30 minutes
on
a rack.
Okay.
And then you can take it out of the pan. So you could just leave it right on top of the stove. And we'll be back in 30 minutes.
Hurry up and cool off. Okay. Thank you for joining us. And we already gave this a little test because we couldn't wait. But it is delicious. Kids, you are going to love this. Give it a try. Enjoy cooking with your family and friends. It's soft and gooey. And it's time to say cheers to National Chocolate Chip Day.
It's delicious.
Oh. Mimi, you have your mouth full.
Share, like, subscribe. You're gonna really want to make this recipe. It's delicious. Tag us on our Instagram with pictures of how your cookie came out and tell us if you gave it a thumbs up, thumb sideways, or a thumbs down. Yeah. We know you're gonna like it though. So we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye. D-Nice says, do something nice.
Mimi's message, put a smile on someone's face today.
Friend shake.
Ooh, boom, boom. Air high five, spin, shake. See you soon.